Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a curling iron that promises to take your hairstyling to the next level. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or simply want to add a little volume to your day-to-day look, the Hairitage Curl Envy hair curling iron is designed to deliver smooth, bouncy curls that last. So, does it live up to its promises? Let's break it down. The Hairitage Curl Envy comes with a 1 1/4-inch ceramic tourmaline barrel that aims to give you flawless curls with a shiny, healthy finish. The ceramic technology helps in even heat distribution, while the tourmaline component works to reduce frizz and static, two things that can easily ruin your curl game. If you have long hair, this tool is also designed to give you long-lasting results. Plus, the curling iron features 4 digital heat settings that go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it adaptable for all hair types, from fine to thick and coarse hair. But what really stands out here is the auto shutoff feature, which will turn the iron off after 60 minutes of inactivity. This is a fantastic safety feature, especially if you're prone to forgetting things like I sometimes am. And with its lightweight design, it's easy to handle, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Now let's talk about how it performs in real life. During testing, the iron heated up quickly, and the curls it created were smooth and bouncy. It didn't cause any snags or tugging, which can sometimes be an issue with other irons. The 1 1/4-inch barrel is a great size for creating both voluminous waves or tight curls, and it worked well on my medium-length hair. The heat settings allowed me to customize the temperature based on my hair's needs, which is a huge plus. In terms of ease of use, the design is ergonomic, and the digital temperature control is a nice touch. No more guessing with dials or buttons. I especially appreciate the fact that it has multiple heat settings, which gives me better control over my style and reduces the risk of damage. The curls stayed in place all day, and even after a few hours, they still looked fresh and defined. On the downside, the only minor drawback I found was the barrel size. While it's great for most styles, if you're looking for super tight ringlets, you might find that a smaller barrel would be more effective. But that's a personal preference depending on your curling style. So what about value for money? The Hairitage Curl Envy falls within a reasonable price range for a curling iron with these features. When compared to other tools at a similar price point, the ceramic tourmaline technology really sets this one apart. It's hard to find a curling iron that gives you this level of performance with such a smooth, shiny finish at this price. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of high-end curling irons on the market, but they often come at a higher price. The Hairitage Curl Envy offers similar performance without the hefty price tag. If you want something with more advanced features or a faster heat-up time, there are pricier models to consider, but for most people, this one hits the sweet spot. As for the build quality, the Hairitage Curl Envy feels solid. The materials feel durable, and it's clear that the design was made with user comfort in mind. The auto shutoff is a reassuring feature for anyone who worries about leaving their styling tools on after use. I've used it consistently for a few weeks now, and it's still performing as well as it did on day 1. Now, if you're wondering whether or not the Hairitage Curl Envy hair curling iron is worth your investment, yes, it's a great choice for anyone who wants consistent, frizz-free curls. It's an affordable option for those looking for quality performance without breaking the bank. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss more honest reviews from Beautyistic. Your support helps us continue delivering content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching today, and if you've tried this curling iron, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.